How to create Remitly receiving account. Want to track, manage your transfers? Here's how to create a Remitly receiving account step by step. So first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play, and you can also use the Remitly website. Now, sign up, enter your email, create a password, and choose your country. Now, verify your identity. Upload a government issued ID. Verification is required to send or track transfers. Add personal details. Enter your full name, address, and mobile number. Make sure they match your bank or GCash account. Now, set your receiving method. Choose bank deposit, cash pickup, GCash, wallet, or home delivery depending on your preference. Confirm your account, and once verified, you can track transfers, receive SMS or email alerts when money arrives. And that is how to create a Remitly receiving account.